better place. We have what it takes to make our world a better place. We are smart at what we do to make our world a better place. We are smart at what we do to make our world a better place. By the help of God, to make our world a better place. By the help of God, to make our world a better place. Smart do.
Hi students, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our lesson today. Today we are looking at the Christian's approaches to work. What is work? We want to see what the difference between the work, the job, the profession, the career, and so forth. Then we'll be looking at the reasons why people work. Why do you think people work? Why should you be interested in working? So let us look at let us define some of the names that are being used in this topic. One is the work. What is work? Work, according to this topic, according to the Christian religious education, it is the use of energy to earn a living. Work. Use of energy. Remember, this is your energy that you are using to earn a living. What is profession? We're looking at the profession. What is profession? Profession is profession is the type of work that entails lengthy training and it has the code of ethics. This is the work characterized by training. It has the training and it has code of ethics. They have certain rules that guides them. For example, the Teacher Service Commission, the Kenya Medical, the KMTC, Kenya Medical Training Colleges, they also have their character. It is a profession, so they have their way of doing their work. They are characterized by training and the code of ethics. These are rules and the guidelines that guide certain work. What is trade? We'll be looking at what is trade. Remember, we are looking at the work, things that makes a human being to earn their living through using their energy. Trade is an occupation. Any occupation to earn a living. You are occupied somewhere. You are selling fruits. You are selling clothes. You are selling mobile phones. You are selling books. You are doing your trade. You are occupied somewhere. What is craft? We'll be looking at craft. And we can say craft is a use of the manipulative skills. Occupation that entails the use of manipulative skills. Occupation that entails use of manipulative. This is an occupation that entails the use of the manipulative skills. Then finally, what is a job? We can say, what is a job? A job is a service rendered. You render a service in return with payment. Job, an occupation that entails rendering of services in return with payments. You render services in return with a payment. Now, let us look at the reasons why people work. Why do people work? Why should people engage in work? So we want to look at the reasons that make people to work. The reasons that make people to work. We are looking at the reasons why people work. Reason number one is to earn a living. People engage in work so that they can earn a living. They can get something to boost their life, to continue their life in a comfortable or a better way. Another thing, it is God ordained. It is God ordained. People work. Why? Because work has been ordained by God. So it is God ordained, so they must do what? They must work. God himself was a worker. And thus, people should do what? They should work. Another thing is to help the needy. You are working because you want to get something, maybe to promote the needy. Or you are working directly with this needy to ensure that you boost their way of life. Another thing, to enjoy your leisure. Some work, there are some of the works that are leisure. People do them to enjoy. Like for example, music. People will engage in music. They are engaging in music at the same time they are getting payment. At the same time they are being paid. They are earning a living. Why do people work? It is important to work. It is very important to work. Another thing, to get luxuries. To get luxuries. Those things that you admire in life. Those things that you feel like they are motivating. They are attractive, that you should have them. These are some of the things that press people to do what? To work. Another thing is to raise standard. We work so that we can raise our standards. You cannot be born poor and die with your own poverty unless you choose to. So, to change this situation, one needs to do what? To work. Engage in something, however small it is. Another thing is to socialize. We get to work so that we can meet people. We can expand our thinking. We can meet other people so that we can change our way of life. Why do people work? For self-satisfaction. People work so that they can satisfy themselves, so that they can feel comfortable. They can satisfy themselves with those things that they feel like they should be having. Another thing why people work, it is essential. It is very important to work. It is essential. You cannot just, you are working to refresh yourself, to boost your living. It is very important to work. At the same time, you are exercising yourself, you are exercising your brain, you are thinking hard and harder. Another thing, we are working to earn wealth. You are working so that you'll be rich. You don't want to die poor. You don't want to work to die poor. So what do people do? They engage in working. So these are some of the reasons that make people to do what? To work. These are some of the reasons that make people to engage in work. Continue looking at some of the reasons. Ensure that you can get a reason, you can explain, you can give an example. Thank you for being part of this lesson. Bye-bye.